the keys? Is it open? Yeah, it's open. I gotta sit in. I'm gonna piss my baby. I got it. So I'll let you in on a little secret, Scott. If you ever want him to buy it back, just wrap it in gray with orange accents. Before we get to that, let's get paid. Today's video is sponsored by Ridge Wallet.
The Ridge is a minimal front pocket wallet that's designed to streamline what you carry every day. It has 30,000 5-star reviews and it's a better way to carry your cash and cards. There's a lifetime warranty if you love it and free returns if you don't. There are over 30 different colors and styles to choose from, including a carbon fiber one and a burnt titanium one as well. It's designed to go in your front or your back pocket. Get 10% off today with free worldwide shipping and returns by going to ridge.com/savage. That's ridge.com/savage and use code SAVAGE. Link is in the description below.
So thanks to Ridge Wallets for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you check out the link in the description below. Get your Ridge Wallet today. Oh, that's awesome.
Jack, that's brilliant.
That's awesome.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
We're going to the 5th anniversary of Supercar Saturday. We're heading over to Pembroke Pines. We're actually going to be on time today. Or Pembroke Pines, I'm sorry. And we're going to be on time today because I promised Floyd to be on time. So let's roll. That is so fat! Look at it! It's so fat! Such a bad car. Oh my It's adorable. Wait, do the headlight thing. Do the headlight. Do the headlight. There's a cop literally across from us, Randall. Yeah! Yes! You got a tow mode.
You ready to race? We're ready to run it. We're about to set up.
Oh, that's awesome, man. Towed by a 6x6.
You know, no other way to show up, right?
Two 6x6s.
Go big or go home.
We got Stancy Boy. Oh. And then we got this like. Oh yeah. Oh, that's some serious shit. That's some serious shit. Oh my god.
We got a full house. We are celebrating 5 years. Supercar Saturdays. cannot believe you wrapped it.
Hey, I think it looks great. I think it looks awesome.
How are you? Good to see you.
I know you don't like it.
No, I don't get it. I just gotta give you rats. I got pissed, that's all. And I picked up a P1, so. You can always get another one. I can always buy it back from me now.
I'm done with it.
Where are the keys? Is it open? That's open. I gotta sit in. I'm gonna piss my baby.
We're leaving at 1:30 though.
So I'll let you in on a little secret, Scott. If you ever want him to buy it back, just wrap it in gray with orange accents.
I probably drove it more than any Pagani owner ever will.
You did. Like, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh. This is a reunion. By the way, something we noticed.
Yeah.
On that side only, you can still see the outline of where the TSG sticker was. You can't see it on this side, it's on that side.
I'll show you.
Yeah, if you look right there, you can see the shadow, but you'll see it in the light right there.
It's the ghost of Savage Garage.
That's right.
It never goes away.
It never disappears.
Amazing.
Oh, man. Scott, do you mind if I sit in the passenger?
You can do whatever you want.
You sure? All right, I appreciate it.
Anyways,
Oh, wow. Memories.
so I'm gonna have
So many shots were filmed of that instrument cluster, of that shifter, those air vents. Oh, man. Oh, wow, I missed it. I miss this. I miss this so much.
Jimbo, is this going in the vlog?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Dude, I just like I'm sitting in here because it brings back good memories. Obviously, you wouldn't do that to your car.
No.
But what do you think of it live now?
You know, I love Scott, but I mean, at the same time, it's sad. It's good and sad to see it at the same time. I'm glad it's running well, and I hope the next owner enjoys it. Yeah, that's all that matters to me.
Until next time, Pagani. I'll miss you. Yes! Yes! We need peanut butter jelly time now.
Well, this is his last day here. He's going to Cali.
What?
Butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly.
Why are you leaving us keys to the step stool? Why? Why? Why do you do this to us? Do you see that 488 over there?
I don't know, but he doesn't look very appealing, does he? I'm sorry, did that slip out?
You got another one?
I hate
Keep him going, keep him
I
going.
hate to split from you guys, but
There we go.
that's how it goes. You know what time it is? Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Where?
Love it. Oh, they did it right. They did it right. That's awesome.
This is interesting though. Yeah. You don't see those every day. Wow.
Real TBR.
I,
Baby.
Yeah.
Totally.
I don't know anything about these other
I
than
need my machine
Russian.
gun now. The best movie ever to watch the TBR is Swordfish.
Yeah.
With John Travolta and Holly Berry, Hugh Jackman.
Wow.
Yo, it has an oil filter.
Hard to find. I mean, these are rare.
What?
The spare oil.
You
never know when you're gonna.
You never know. Not extra oil, just the oil filter. Dude, look how many bodies you could fit in this. Imagine the amount of people you could smuggle into a drive-in movie theater with this. That's the purpose of that trunk.
Go up to a car. How many dead bodies can I put in this?
Yeah.
Asking for a price.
Dead hookers, dead bodies.
Goodfellas.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
It's Whopper Lanyard. Just look how big the trunk is. Oh my God. Now that, that is a proper vehicle.
What the hell is that?
Oh my God, that is so perfectly atrocious. Look at that. Oh my God.
That truck has 1,300 horsepower.
What? Oh yeah, we're leaving. You ready? Switcheroo? Switcheroo.
Wait, if I get this correctly, it'll look like Jack's in there. There it is.
Yeah, Keith is in the banana outfit. He's in the banana in the SVR. Come here. Oh my God. That's amazing. Yes, bro. Yeah! There's gonna be a lot of people.
We're coming, Floyd!
Yeah, Floyd, we're here on time!
Yeah, that is something.
That's
What
cool.
the fuck is that fucking
That's one of those
canoe
three-wheeler
things?
It's a three-wheeler.